In spite of all the danger, in spite of all that may be, I'll do anything for you, anything you want me to, if you'll be true to me. In spite of all the heartaches that you made for me, I'll do anything for you, anything you want me to, if you'll be true to me. I'll look after you like I've never done before. In spite of all the dangers, in spite of what may be, I'll do anything for you, anything you want me to, if you'll be true to me. In spite of all the heartaches that you made for me, I'll do anything for you, anything you want me to, if you'll be true to me. I'll do anything for you, anything you want me to, if you'll be true to me. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers with you again for a real oldie. This one. This is from the Quarrymen, who obviously turned into the Beatles. This was one of their very early recordings made as the Quarrymen in 1958. Okay, and it didn't. I don't think it came to light until about 1995. I think it was anthology album. Anyway, so this is a rare collaboration between George Harrison and Paul McCartney, I believe, as far as writing this song is concerned. Anyway, so there we have me playing along with my looper pedal, trying to get in all the bits. Okay, sorry about the singing, just for reference only. Okay, so hopefully you might be interested in learning this one, and I'll be back with a lesson in a couple of days' time. Bye for now.